this is Dr. Elena Eustache and welcome to my do's and don'ts. Today my topic is suspicion leads to cheating. Suspicion is a very strong emotion and it's difficult to hide. Suspicious individuals tend to signal their doubts by making accusations, acting anxiously, and looking for something wrong with their partner or digging into negative past. And that doesn't help anyone. Cheating is when we follow feelings and not the decision that we made when we started the commitment. Cheating can be sexual or social if you act single and you're not. Women usually cheat if they don't feel emotionally cherished, and men when they feel disrespected or not getting enough physical attention. It doesn't help if you blame anyone or are constantly suspicious. No one is trustworthy until they build trustworthy record. But being open and supportive, or catch your partner being good and then tell them what would even feel better, will get you far away in your relationship than being suspicious and accusative. If you don't want to destroy your relationship, take a risk and be open to trust. Or leave the relationship if you no longer feel that the trust can be rebuilt. This is Dr. Elena Eustache. I hope you enjoyed this fun topic, and don't forget, all we need is love.